guys! Today we are going to Mount Fuji. Say hi. So, ayan, nakabihis na kami. Look, matagal namin bago magbihis. Nagagalit na si Daddy. So, we're going to the parking na. Nag-rent kasi kami ng car.
Lalakad tayo pupunta sa Mount Fuji.
Yes.
Ay, ang dami kong dala, hindi kita mabubuhat. Konti lang ilalakarin natin.
Malapit na tayo sa
Oh,
Mount
buhat ko si Mickey Mouse.
Actually, marami namang parking anywhere. Hahanap ka lang ng mura na park overnight. So, yan. And this is the car that we rented. Okay, guys, get inside na. Kailangan naka-car seat talaga kapag may bata at mag-rent ng car. Di ba, Mateo? Tayo, say hi to my vlog. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Hi.
See you at Mount Fuji!
Di ba taas?
We are here at the 5th station, Mount Fuji. Napakalamig, guys. Ilang degrees, Matt? 6 degrees. Napakalamig. Wrong choice of clothing na naman ako. Bakit ako
Ang
nag-skirt?
pakainit nga kaya, guys. Hi.
Yan. Lalakad kami. Going up. Wala namang usok, Matt. Yung meron ba sa'yo? Tingin. This is the Mount Fuji 5th station. Say hi, guys. Matt.
Bye-bye.
Super lamig dito. It's winter, like winter feels.
Mainit, guys.
This is the viewing deck of the Mount Fuji. Oh, cloudy. Ayan na. Si Mount Fuji, ayan na.
Fuji-san, ayan na.
Yes! Ayan na si Mount Fuji!
Ay, mas lumamig nung umalis yung clouds.
Se está despejando. Hello, Mount Fuji!
Pag nagbi-beep. Bye-bye.
Anong ilang degrees, Matthew?
24.
Teo, come here! We are going to Lake Kawaguchiko. After namin sa 5th station, pababa na kami. Daan kami sa Lake Kawaguchiko. My baby is sleeping. Kasi super lamig. Super lamig sa 5th station.
Tayo na.